Then we've got Christian Kemp here. I have a BMW 230i, and the paint is nearly perfect. The car has about 3 different coatings on it, and is very easy to wash. The main problem I face is rock chips. What's the best way to prevent? I'll put
3
that
more
to the
layers
panel.
of coatings.
Dylan, because you are...
Oh, he follows up. Without going to PPF.
Well, I have nothing.
I've got it. Just park a car in a garage.
Okay, Christian, just don't
Get a
drive
bike.
it.
For real, being
more
patient
careful.
down the road is huge.
Yeah.
Don't drive it.
Away from behind,
Yeah.
behind dump trucks. If you're in the left lane, cruising behind people constantly because you're always late for something, your front bumper's gonna be
I wish I could say that's 100% true, but my truck, before I could get it down to Steve Olick at Colorado Detail, to PPF the front end of mine, because I'm not going to dare attempt that, I drove like an old man. I only had about 600 miles on it, and I got down there to do the PPF, and lo and behold, 2 rock chips.
Thanks, Colorado.
Yeah, so it's there is physically no way to prevent that from happening entirely
and
without PPF.
In 2021, and Jason, correct us if I'm wrong, but there's no reason to not get PPF anymore. I think the films have come such a long way that it is by far the best protection in the world of abrasion or impact, by far.
Well, and if you compare it to the cost to refinish a front end, because paint isn't getting cheaper either. So if rock chips bother you, and you don't want to do PPF, you're going to have to repaint it in order to DR color chip the snot out of it, I guess. But PPF, if you can't afford to do a full front end, I mean, there are solutions. I mean, you can have a partial done.
Yeah,
that
I
kind of
just
stuff.
peeled PPF off a buddy's 2008 TL. When he bought that car brand new, he did PPF on the front nose and the mirrors, and he's like, hey, I want to refresh this whole car. I love this car. Pull the PPF off. I'm going to redo it. And I was blown away peeling that PPF off, how perfect that front end still was. And I was like, holy crap, dude, you better get this thing wrapped like
Now.
fast, because it's going to get I'm worried now because it's so perfect underneath. So yeah, nowadays it's good stuff. Christian King saying,
Andy?
Yes.
thanks guys, PPF it is. Gary Robinette.
Just do it.